JP. My neck, my back,
So
my
for
back,
the rip round.
my neck, my back, my back, my back, my neck, my back,
So
my
for
back.
the rip round. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
My neck.
Tell your dog if you have a parasite.
Change positions. Stroke it, baby. Yeah. Stroke it for me. Stroke it for me.
Baby girl, Dallas, West Coast, Philly. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl, East Coast, Philly. West Coast, Philly. Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, Philly. Say what? West Coast, Philly. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got figure. East Coast, Philly. West Coast, Philly. Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl, East Coast, Philly. Feel us. West Coast, Philly. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl, East Coast, Philly. Feel us. West Coast, Philly. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl, East Coast, Philly. West Coast, Philly. Can you feel us? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl, East Coast, Philly. Feel us. West Coast, Philly. Say what? Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? East Coast, can y'all really feel me? Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Say what? West Coast, Philly. Baby girl, can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? East Coast, can y'all really feel me? Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Say what? West Coast, Philly.
Come here, rude boy, boy, is you big enough? Take it, yeah, baby, baby, yeah. Take it, love it, love it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want, what you want, give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Give it, want, what you want, give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Come on, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, boy, is you big enough? Take it, yeah, baby, baby, yeah. Take it, love it, love it. Come on, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, boy, is you big enough? coming right now. Love me, love me. Love me, love me. Come here, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, baby, yeah. Take it, yeah, love me, love me. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me. Take it, baby, baby, take it, love me.
Speed it up, speed it up. Hold on, 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 speed it up. Speed it up. Scotty, Hottie, Charlie, Wally, Chotto, got it. Good brain, college, good brain, her frame, body, move same, body, same, my plane, party, never change, wallet, no shame, I got it, couple planes, watches, I lay, Versace, hey, can't speed it up, speed it up, beat it up, beat it up.
I think I got ass with the chocolate chip.
I told him, damn, baby, you know who I am, baby. I don't wanna talk if the nigga ain't true. If a nigga text me, no great. I'll be calling outside.
Damn, red velvet looking good. Okay, I can't even see you though. Oh. All right, hey, just stay now. Yeah, buddy. Now we looking like twins,
Girl.
dang. All right, we got some cookies. Ooh, KK's.
What were their names again?
Kendall and Kelby's Cheesecakes in Cypress,
The
Texas.
The twins?
Yes, the twins. Oh, and black owned.
Girl, yes. Okay, let's see what we got.
We want this?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You don't even need one. You might have to do the cutting.
I'll cut through the chocolate first.
Okay.
I'm just gonna cut it. Oh, okay.
Wait, that hard?
We'll try to be cute.
Okay.
Okay. This got cheesecake in it.
Mm.
You want some of this funfetti? Might as well.
This is the tiniest piece.
Like mine.
Yeah.
I don't plan on eating all of this.
Tonight.
Yeah. Just be snacking on it. Okay. We got some cheesecake on it.
Thank you.
Alrighty. What you want to try first?
Should we do the obvious chocolate chip?
Yes, because I was thinking that. Okay.
You were?
Okay, Twinsy Pim.
Okay, let's do it.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hey, I just taste cookie. Okay,
You
now.
need to break it?
Yeah. That's so good.
Very good. Moist. These are freshly baked too.
Not bad.
Oh,
Barely
girl.
taste the cheesecake.
It's good though.
I'm glad the cheese. Oh, it's good with the cheesecake.
Very warm. It's surprisingly good.
Yes, and it's chocolatey.
Yeah, it is. Very chocolatey.
Okay, we gotta try this one next,
Wait,
then.
wait, wait. Okay.
I got my rub of it. She got the whole rub of it. Oh,
Breaking on camera.
okay, ready?
Yes.
Cheers. It took a minute.
Yeah. I'm still trying to get there. All the flavors are
I
like
taste the
meshing together.
cheesecake.
I taste the cheesecake really late into the cookie. I might have bitten into one of these white chocolate
I
chips.
think I got a little bit of chocolate. But yeah,
That's what that was.
that is good.
Very good.
I'm kind of getting full just to sampling.
Oh, I just broke this.
Well, her friend said he's fucked up, but. Oh, wow.
That's probably the winner.
I wasn't expecting that.
That is really good. Really rich.
It goes well with cheesecake for real.
This is so good.
Was ready for the win. That was so good.
Yeah,
I'm glad we did that. A good little girl day. And she was grown and got her a little work bag.
I
like
did
a grown
it.
woman.
I did it. I got me a new bag. Mine has been holding on literally by a thread.
We both with our new work bags, basically. At this point.
And it was on time.
It was a long
Well,
time.
it was past due, but you know.
Everything is always past due because who wants to spend that money? No.
Yeah, it's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East Laurent. Used to drive the Nissan, now she in a P-Run.